wrapping up the year.
Mm-hmm.
And ang dami nangyari 2024. We're gonna get to everything in this episode as much as we can, no? But first and foremost, medyo nagwala yung mga tao, no? Our Zeke did not show his face today, as you can see.
Yeah.
No?
Our Zik here.
Yeah, our Zeke here. Not the one from Cebu, not Zeke Abella, but
Yeah.
nadamay daw. Just to be clear, no? Alam ko, ang dami nadadamay sa podcast. So I just wanna clear the air, no? If we mention a name on the podcast without a family name, let's say
Okay.
Paolo. Marami naman Paolo sa mundo.
Or you say Chacha.
Chacha.
Marami naman
Chacha
sa mundo.
Or your real name, Maria
Yes.
Zarina.
Marizarina.
Diba?
Oo.
Samir. Maraming Samir.
Yes,
I mean,
true.
I'm not the only Bombay na Samir. There are Samir is a common Indian name. No? So,
Okay. Sige, magpaliwanag ka.
Hindi,
Nanap ka sa presinto.
na barangay na kasi ako eh. No?
Okay,
So,
okay.
once again, of course, when we mention names, like ngayon, si Zeke, no?
Yeah.
Wala siya. Nag-absent. Nasaktan.
Huy, pero totoo, nag-away daw sila ng girlfriend niya.
Nag-resign na ba?
Huy,
Are you serious?
oh my God, because
Are
of the
you serious?
episode, oh my gosh, baka akala ko,
Ah,
sorry, nagulat ako, Sam, kasi kung dahil sa episode yun,
hindi.
ano gagawin natin?
Tumaas kaya.
May nagre-resign na dahil sa episode
Ayun,
natin.
tapos sa
Zeke, we
girlfriend ni
miss
Zeke, if you missed out the episode on Zeke, no?
You say sorry.
I want to apologize to his girlfriend. Ano name ni girlfriend? Ito na naman tayo sa name.
Zeke's girlfriend.
Zeke's girlfriend.
Yun na lang, Zeke's girlfriend.
Zeke's girlfriend. I want to apologize to you, no? And just to be fair to you, Zeke told me na pang-SLEX talaga. Shit, yari na naman ako. Ay, delete na yan. Okay. Enjoy tayo sa podcast.
ito.
Enjoy lang tayo.
Okay.
Relax. Everybody has to chill.
lang.
Chill the F down,
We
man.
want to entertain all of you listening to us, lalo na sobrang traffic ngayon. So
Yeah.
kung meron kayong mga napapakinggan dito, yung mga seryosong bagay, seryosohin nyo. Pero yung halata naman na kalokohan, ni Sam, kalokohan ko, guys, wag nyo masyadong seryosohin ang mga bagay-bagay sa buhay. Tama si Sam, may mga nababanggit kaming pangalan dito. Kung meron man mga halimbawa, sikat na personality sa kapangalan.
Like I wanna do a blind item today. Yung
Siguro,
Binansa Polo Club.
I think better if no name na lang. Para,
So no,
diba?
I can't mention the name. I wanna
Pwede mo sa akin bulong.
I want to tell you who that person is. Yung hindi tinanggap. Sobrang
Oh,
yaman.
I didn't know kung ano yan. Alam mo, pag chismis
Sobrang
talaga,
yaman.
number one yung Sam YG. Tell me that. Come
Ng
on,
couple-
bring it on.
Sobrang yaman ng couple na to. Sobrang
Okay.
after. You guys know who this person is. Everybody listening to this podcast, you know who this person is. But now, hindi ko na ma-mention.
Ano ba yung nangyari?
Dahil kay Zeke, hindi ko na ma-mention. Paano ako magpa-podcast nito?
Because of Zeke.
Because of Zeke. Zeke, how kaya...
Hindi, meron ako nabasa eh. Kung meron daw tayong blind item, gayahin daw natin yung mga yung mga online showbiz vlogs na dapat wala raw name.
Ganun ba?
Kasi nagtalagang blind item.
Ang saya kaya mag-name drop. Bakit pa tayo mag-blind item? Pag mag-blind item tayo, we're making our lives harder.
At least,
Look at Jasper. Hirap na.
well, I have to
Sabi
agree
niya.
with you. Mahirap na buhay. Pahihirapan pa naman ba natin
Correct.
silang hulaan kung sino yung
Diba?
pinag-uusapan?
Have you ever had that experience na blind item ka, tapos nagising ka ng 2 ng umaga? Shit, alam ko na kung sino.
At least
Ayoko
ka na
mangyari-
mag-iisip.
Ayoko mangyari sa akin yun.
Na hindi nakakatulog yung nakikinig
Yes.
sa atin dahil hindi nila alam kung sino yung pinag-uusapan natin. Kaya ni-name drop mo pa rin kahit may mga nasasaktan na.
Thank you, Chacha.
That's what I like about you.
I don't like myself
Wala
what you
kang-
like about me.
That's what I like about you. Wala kang pake sa sasabihin ng iba.
Because life goes on. Life goes on. And speaking of which, 2025 malapit na.
Exactly. Few more days before 2025. Pero ang daming nangyari this year.
Top 2, Chacha.
Na for you. Ikaw.
I mean, in the world. Let's not talk about
Okay,
ourselves
okay.
first. No, let's in the world top 2.
Yeah, for you.
Oh man.
Na parang sa'yo, yon ang parang, nangyari talaga yon. Whether good or bad, it's up to you.
Oh man, that is a good question.
Yeah.
I guess, well, because it's recent, the whole Trump winning the elections. So, but it doesn't really affect us. a
Well,
lot.
actually, hindi.
Yung dollar
Apektado tayo. Ang taas ng dollar ngayon dahil
Oo.
daw sa pagkakapanalo ni Trump.
and Bitcoin.
59 na ngayon.
Oo.
Mm.
Yung Bitcoin, if you guys invested in Bitcoin, you're probably laughing your way to
Meron
the
ka
bank.
ba?
Meron. Yung Bitcoin ko, to be honest, ano pa to? 2015.
Oo.
Kasi
I don't know how it works.
I remember,
Medyo konti lang. Explainan mo nga kami.
I also did not know how it works, but at that time, Bitcoin, everybody's talking about Bitcoin. That was circa 2015, 2016.
Mm.
So I researched on how to buy Bitcoin. Because
So, bumili ka.
online currency siya. Technically,
Okay.
you can't touch Bitcoin.
Okay.
No?
Pero safe siya.
That's what they say. Of course, I only invested in
Sa bagay, 1 million lang naman in-invest mo. What is 1 million to you?
Joke lang.
Iba talaga. Sana sa last episode may pakape, no?
Ay,
No, boys?
wala si Chacha, wala si sa kanina.
Okay, tuloy.
Wala yung barista natin. Anyway, so nagpasa ang amount that I'm willing to lose kasi nga it's not regulated, untangible. So, alam mo ba?
it's like gold?
No, gold you can touch.
No, what I mean is, hindi pa bago, tumataas yung presyo.
Yeah.
Gold kasi di ba pataas?
Yung Bitcoin.
Hindi siya parang currency, taas baba.
Since Trump won, I'm not, don't quote me, I'm not really a good, hindi ko sinusundan yung rate. But, times 5 yung value ng
Hindi,
account.
pero paano siya? I mean, withdraw rin? Ganun?
You can withdraw anytime. You can convert it to GCash.
So it's like parang bangko,
I think
ganon?
I use Coins, the app, to check every day kung ano yung value.
Tapos ikaw din naglalagay ko sa may place? Or hindi?
Yeah,
Meron?
Yeah. Para siyang stock
So dapat
market.
may alam ka nga sa stock market when you do that.
Yeah, but I used to do stock market dati 2013.
Wow.
Pero ngayon,
Look at my partner. Ngayon, puro chismis na lang.
okay, bumili ngayon, mababa.
Noon used to do stock market. Ngayon,
Mababa. Ngayon, tinitira na natin yung mga nag-chismis natin. Yung ginagawa natin. Mas exciting yun eh.
Okay, so at least may idea na tayo about Bitcoin.
Ano ba
Alright.
nangyari? This year,
For you, Donald Trump, what else?
politics-wise, Donald Trump, politics-wise, itong away ni Marcos Duterte,
Yeah.
the Zoom call na nagmumura-mura siya, na napaka-solid yung
Nyo.
PI mo ka. Kasi,
Nyo.
honestly,
May
as a person,
Nyong lahat. May ganon,
Oo.
di ba?
As a person, iba yung masabihan ng PI. May mga tao nagsabi, ay, PI. Some people use or curse.
You can say PI but don't say PI mo.
Correct.
Oo.
So there are people who curse as part of their pagkasamang barkada mo, napapamura ka, di ba? Gago, ganyan.
Shoota
diba?
naman eh. May mga
Gago
ganyan.
ka talaga. Diba? Pero sa bahay, nag-autopilot tayo.
Oo, nagbabago tayo.
Diba?
Lalo sa amin, may mga bata.
Correct. I'm sure for some reason our brains are, I read this article before that said we all have 3 different
Persona.
personalities. Yeah.
Yeah.
Your persona when you're alone, your persona when you're with your friends, and your persona at
That's
home.
a good topic. Okay.
Kung ano kasi si
Oo,
Chacha.
gusto
Like ito,
ko.
lakas magmura. No?
No?
Si Chacha, pag off-air, no? Kasi pagkasama ako,
Hayop to eh.
gaya kanina, sabi niya, hoy, gago, nasa ano na ako, Julia Vargas. Tapos papark na ako. Tapos nakita ko sa kanya, nasa daan pa.
Alam niyo, pagbaba ko ng kotse, ano yung una niyong sinabi?
Ay.
Binibilisan ko kasi alam ko, kotse ni Song YG yun, alam ko eh. Yun yung bago
my God.
Gamit niya yung kulay itim eh. So nagmamadali ako. Sumisigaw siya sa parking, naririnig nung guard doon. Ay, ano sinasabi mo?
Kala ko, Chacha, you're parking na. 5 minutes ago, parking already. Tapos kakapasok mo lang.
Those are white lies, Sam YG.
Oh, there's a whole kind of firms. You don't want to talk about that. Anyway, so, like going back, no, may mga taong solid magmura. Correct
Parang
me if I'm wrong.
hindi, solid magmura parang tatay ni Sara Duterte.
Yes.
Even in his press con before, nung Pangulo pa, di ba? Late night shows niya, nagmumura siya. Which is, ganun daw talaga siya, even off-cam.
Maybe that's how they were brought up. And yun nga, you can say PI, di ba? Oy, PI, nakita mo ba yung ganyan?
Oo,
Diba
ito
ganyan?
kasi iba.
Tapos meron, kung gusto mo i-level up, PI mo.
Oo, yun na nga. Mas level up. Mas masakit yun.
May kurot na yun, di ba? Oy, PI mo.
Kasi minsan pag nag-aaway kayo, PI naman eh. Pwedeng ganon. Iba
Correct.
na yung PI mo naman.
Ito, case in point. Kanina sa parking lot. PI, park ka naman na maayos. You can say that.
Yeah.
Pwede mo i-level up.
Yes.
PI mo, ayusin mo parking mo. Medyo mas masakit.
Pero don't say it. Baka may baril yung maganon nyo.
Pero itong
Kalmahan nyo.
Sara
Oo.
Duterte, she talagang extreme.
Oo, yeah.
PI mo ka.
Hindi.
Mo, tapos ka pa.
Nyo. Hindi
Nyo.
lang mo. Nyo. Nyong lahat.
Naramdaman
Ganon.
ko, pinapanood ko yung Zoom. Parang
We have actually,
tumalikod ako sa-
meron tayong-
Nakita mo yun, pare?
Meron tayong VTR. Roll VTR. Wala tayong VTR. Pero yeah, isa rin yun sa mga feeling ko, pinaka-highlight ng 2024, yung uni team na
Nag-break.
break na ngayon. Kasi ako alam ko na eh, when they ran, alam ko na magkakaganito. Pero hindi ko in-expect na medyo maaga.
And also, today, we are releasing this episode. It's the National Morning Day, December 4.
National Morning Day?
Nag-break si Catherine tsaka si Daniel. December 4.
Hindi mo talaga makalimutan ha.
Akala nyo I have my packs here. I may forget.
So 1 year na.
Yeah.
Wow.
Today we're celebrating 1 year.
Iba talaga pag chismis. Kay Sam YG tayo kakapit.
So I may forget Rizal
Uy!
Day, I may forget Bonifacio Day,
Pero
but
wait, speaking of, isa din sa 2024, may movie si Kat and si Alden. And nakikita ko sa stories mo, kasama mo minsan si Alden sa gym. Nagtatanong ka ba kung what's the real score? Like, may mga chismis kasing nililigawan and all that. Sige, bigyan mo kami ng juicy na chismis dyan.
One thing kasi about me is that ayoko magtanong, ayoko malaman.
Gusto mo yung sinishare na lang sa'yo?
Oo. If you wanna share.
Okay.
Pero I'm not gonna ask, ano na balita? Diba? Kasi it will be another information that I know.
Yes.
Tsaka
para hindi masyadong halatang chismoso.
Tamo nga, wala nga akong alam. Nadadali ako eh. Tinitira nga ako, wala akong kaalam-alam.
Gusto mo naman yan. Gusto mo yan na wala kang alam.
Yung chemo.
Ayan.
Sinushoot ako.
Okay.
Sinabi ko naman sa episode, allegedly, this is what I know. This is what I heard.
Can you please answer yung mga umuugong-ugong na chismis ngayon? May something ba sa inyo ni Mo Twister? Dahil meron tayong
Never
isang...
naging kami. Tapos, next topic.
Tawa sila ng tawa dito. Puro kalokohan talaga tayo.
We've always been good friends.
Ako sa akin lang, ngayong 2024, I feel like sobrang bilis ng panahon. I don't know if it's dahil may edad na tayo, kaya sobrang bilis ng panahon, or ang dami nating... Thank you so much. And you're 35?
Of course.
Okay, thank you so much.
Moving on.
Pero yun nga parang feeling ko kasi, pag marami kang ginagawa, parang mas mabilis yung oras. Parang kailan lang, January lang, di ba? Kaka-start lang natin with TPN and then now, pa-end na yung 2024. Kaka-start lang natin ng face-to-face na recording. Ngayon, pang ilan na, hindi na nga natin mabilang.
Actually, we were also on the verge, ito off the record, no? But on the record na rin siya ngayon. Anyway, ewan ko ba't sinabi ko yun. Sasabaw na ako eh. For those who know, we're recording this at 1 a.m. no? So medyo bear with us. Kasi may show si Chacha mamayang 5. Okay.
Ganun kami kasipag.
Yeah, no. Pinapasok namin yung mga natin.
Ganun din
natin,
kasipag yung mga kasama namin.
Okay. I think, on a serious note, I think ma-attribute ko yan sa... We talked about this before in one of the episodes. Sa babad natin sa social media. That's why time flies faster. Because we always are so busy. We're hindi naman busy work-wise. We're just so preoccupied.
Ang ganda nung sinabi mo. Tsaka kasi with social media, doon na tayo lahat kumukuha ng news, di ba? Parang ngayon sobrang in ang topic na to. Ang bilis din mag-shift. Sobrang trending, susunod wala na.
Yeah.
May mga ganon.
1 minute, something super hot. Next minute, deads. Diba? And I always tell people nga like, ito nga like the issue with Chito Miranda's wife or whatever.
Oh yeah.
Diba? Like, but admittedly, like in 2 days, 3 days, like the Alice Guo thing, it was such a, okay, that's
Alice
one thing.
Guo
Okay.
muna.
Dalagay ko sa highlight in 2024 yun. Kasi
Hindi pwedeng hindi kasama si Alice Guo.
I was a fan of the whole series.
I know, napuyat ka dyan.
Oh. And my
Kinabahan
wife...
ng Netflix dyan, actually.
My wife used to hate because I'd watch the hearings till 2 in the morning. Pag uwi ko, papanorin ko yan. Tapos yung the whole nakatakas siya, tapos nahuli, tapos bumalik, tapos hindi niya masagot kung siya talaga si Alice Guo or Guaping.
Oo, kung Pilipino ba siya or Chinese.
Correct. That was, I think, medyo Philippine highlight for me for 2024. But going back, I think we're so preoccupied, ang dami natin ginagawa. So time goes by. Parang, is it just me or are we getting to the point na takot tayo maging alone?
Or takot tayo
alone with our thoughts?
Or dahil sobrang daming ginagawa or dahil nakikita natin sa social media, lahat ng tao super busy, lahat ng tao thriving, lahat ng tao daming ginagawa. Takot tayo na dapat
wala kang ginagawa.
Kalma lang tayo.
Natenga
dapat tulala tayo. Bawal tenga.
So is
ganyan.
it bad to rest?
No.
Okay, I'll rest.
Is it bad not to give gifts ngayong December?
Oh, that's a good question.
You know why? Kasi pinag-uusapan namin to actually sinabi ko sa asawa ko nung isang araw. Sabi ko, love, before November pa lang or October, ready na yung mga regalo ko for everyone, for friends, for workmates, 'di ba? Sa mga clients and all that. Ngayon pa lang magsusorry na po ako sa lahat ng nandito. Kasi December 2 na ngayon. Kahit sa anak ko, pati sa asawa ko, wala pa ako naiisip na mairegalo. Sobrang yung...
Bakit? Okay, let's get to why.
Yung energy level ko, konting-konti na lang. Parang di ko sure kung aabot hanggang matapos yung 2024. Ang dami kasing ginagawa, ang daming nangyari. So sabi ko sa asawa ko nung isang araw, okay lang naman siguro no kung wala muna akong reregaluhan. Siguro yung mga bata na lang ngayong Pasko. Kasi wala talaga akong energy to shop. and buy gifts. May pambili ka, pero napapagod ka, mas gusto mo lang magpahinga.
Can
So,
we
sobrang dami
replay that?
nangyari.
May pambili ka from Chacha, no?
May pambili ka, pero napapagod ka, mas gusto mo lang magpahinga.
Para lang let's set the record
Hindi,
straight.
wait lang.
Ayun, lagi ako niloloko na ganito, ganyan. Pero ito, nilabas na niya, no?
No,
May
wait.
pambili ako.
Wait lang.
May pambili ako para sa inyo
No,
lahat.
the whole-
Pero wala akong oras bumili.
Wait lang, the whole point, may pambili ako pero kuripot ako.
Ah.
Na I forgot to say it.
Oh, ha?
The whole point is, sometimes meron naman talaga.
Oh.
Minsan nga may oras ka eh.
Yeah.
Pero mas pinipili ko
Magpahinga.
to still rest.
Agree.
I mean, ang dami kong moments. Actually, ilang beses na udlot tong recording natin dahil hindi nagtutugma yung schedule natin,
Tsaka
diba?
si Zik nag-resign, so hindi ako makarecord.
And
So
there are,
talaga may kasalanan, no?
Zik-
Hindi ko sinasabi ko ng Zik, anong last
Kaya
name ni Zik,
kanina,
But si Zik ang may kasalanan, hindi
Zik
kami nakarecord.
TPN. Yun na lang, para mas
TPN
madali.
last name niya. Oh.
Pero kinabahan kanina si Jasper dahil akala niya hindi na naman tayo matutuloy, tas nandito na siya. Pero going back dito sa topic,
Pagupit pa siya para sa episode na to. Yeah.
sana makita naman sila dito. Pero yun nga, hindi ko alam kung ako lang yung ganito.
Ah.
Na dati sobrang excited pa rin naman ako sa Pasko. Pero ngayon, alam mo yung parang worried ka na ito na naman yung December, yan na naman yung
And traffic is so bad.
We're so thankful na maraming racket, di ba? Hostings kaliwat kanan, dire-diretso yung trabaho. But at the same time, yung kaakibat no na stress, na meron ka kasing ibang kailangan
I call
gawin.
it the December stress and it's so real. That's very real.
Diba? Nafe-feel nyo ba? Yung energy mo, hindi mo nga sure kung aabot. Kung aabot, right?
Kumbaga alam mo naka-full bat ka, pero
Ang bilis-
December, let's do this. Pero parang December 5 pa lang.
December 1 pa lang, pang December 31 na yung pagod ko.
I think it's also the stress because you're anticipating the traffic, you're anticipating the stress, the parties you have to go to, kailangan mong pakita dito, pakita dyan, may baka may magtampo, gift giving. But let me ask you, since we're on the topic, on a scale of 1 to 10, gaano mo kadama ang Christmas spirit this year? 10 being the highest.
Ikaw na sumagot.
Kasi
I'd like to know.
I was talking to my wife about this, no, si Esa. Sabi ko parang we were walking around the village. Lakad namin si Sherry. Sabi ko parang
Hindi mo masyadong feel?
wala masyadong nag-decorate ng bahay.
Huh?
Not as many as before.
Okay.
I don't know if people are just tired or parang inis nila, shucks, ang bilis naman ng oras eh. Magpapagod ka ako so much to decorate the house tapos bababa mo rin in a few weeks. So would you really put in the effort or just
Yeah.
probably put up a parol na lang para, di ba,
Oo.
relax. So I think I'm at a 7 out of 10
So mas hindi mo feel ngayon compared last year?
compared last year.
Same.
Parang I'm not sure if it's decreasing every year or what, or we're just getting more busier, or we're just, I don't know.
I think yung busier. Masyado kasi tayong focus sa dapat pag Pasko, may regalo lahat ng mga kakilala natin. Or dapat
Which adds to the
meron-
list of
yes.
things you do.
dapat meron din tayong matanggap na regalo. Dapat mapuntahan natin yung mga Christmas parties. 'Di ba? So, imbis ma-enjoy mo sa dami ng kailangan mong gawin, hindi na.
Pero, let's say your barkada, or I'm sure you have different barkadas, your cycling group, your church group, and whatnot. Lahat,
Thank you for thinking me na gano'n,
May
ano?
church group
Na may
ka.
church group. Thank you. Oo.
lahat ba nagplano ng Christmas party?
Kahapon lang namin plinano ng cycling friends ko yung Christmas party. Parang ako pa yung nakaalala. Sabi ko, parang ang tagal. October pa lang last year, meron na tayong date kung kailan yung Christmas party. Kahapon lang namin na-sealed yung date, pero isa pa lang among all of my friends. Kasi nga parang pagod sila lahat. Ang
Boom,
dami din
diba?
ginagawa. Parang ang chika nila, January na lang. January
Yun
na
nga,
lang pag
ang
di na
daming
masyado
gumaganon.
traffic.
I have my different groups of friends. I think yun nga, mga dalawa lang yata ang nag-set ng December. I think also because yun nga, everybody's anticipating the traffic na tayo sumabay dyan.
Tsaka yung taas din ng bilihin. Mas mataas
Oo.
ngayon eh. If you buy gifts for your loved ones, mas iba ngayon, di ba?
That is true. Inflation is real.
True.
Gas prices are on the
Oh
rise.
my gosh.
I was telling you about the traffic situation in Metro Manila, particularly if you're listening anywhere in the world. It's really bad. So I think tama yung sinabi mo na it's coming to a point na if you have a chance to rest, be at home, pipiliin mo siya. Parang hindi na nga rin ako
I'm
parang,
always like that.
parang-
Ganun ako ngayon.
hindi rin ako excited uminom, to be honest. Or
Ako gusto ko pero wala akong energy.
parang
Alam mo
ganun.
yun?
Or parang pack up.
Gusto mong, may ganun ka moments na gusto mong lumabas, gusto mo to bond with your friends, pero nakakapagod, so higa ka na lang.
Ako, I just wanna be with my wife.
Wow!
I don't wanna go out anymore. Kaya minsan,
Esa, you're one lucky girl.
sometimes I think I wanna go out, but when I see my wife, I realize I don't wanna go out. I want to stay home.
Hindi naniniwala yung mga tao dito.
Why? Ayusin nyo.
Oo, hindi sila naniniwala sa'yo.
But seriously.
Pero si Esa ba, nafe-feel niya rin yun? Baka kasi mas yung stress level ng mga babae. Dahil kami yung mas nagpe-prepare. Correct. Naman natin yan.
Agree.
Kami yung anong kakainin, lagay na yung Christmas tree. Diba? Halos sa babae lahat. Di ko alam kung sa ibang bahay, lalaki yung nagpe-prepare nun. Yung stress level namin mas iba ngayong December. And nakausap ko yung halos lahat ng mga friends ko na babae. Ganun, yung nafe-feel ko, same level kami.
Do you still get excited for the new year? Let's say 2025, okay, let's do something new.
I'm more
It's a new year.
excited
For New Year's.
kesa sa Christmas.
Okay.
Kasi mas
I
ano
feel
na
the
siya
same.
di ba? Mas, wala na tapos na lahat.
Parang yun na yung
tapos na yung
period.
Christmas rush.
Period.
Oo.
Okay, tapos na yung
Tsaka
sentence.
excited ka for 2025 also.
Okay.
Diba?
Interesting.
Kasi
Yeah.
parang
No, that's
pakiramdam
true.
mo may ibang mangyayari dahil magpapalit yung taon.
I agree with you on that. Whether it's career, whether it's love, whether it's, doing something new, something out of the box. It's always a good jump start in case you've been feeling low, you've been feeling like parang shit, my life's been a routine, ito na lang palagi. The new year will always give you like a fresh, I mean, you're supposed to feel that hopefully when you wake up every day. Pero sa pagod, minsan nakakalimutan natin na every gising is a blessing.
But wow.
Diba?
Oh, true.
So the new year is, it's so true. Sometimes we really forget the fact that life is fleeting. Life is so short. I lost a few friends this year.
Yeah.
And you know about this. Closer to our age, so to speak. And it's getting, it's getting real that we are not gonna be here forever. So there are two sides to the coin, no? Parang, are you supposed to just enjoy life? Parang enjoy na natin to because you don't know how long we're gonna be here? Or, diba, do you keep on looking forward to the future and whatnot? So I think it's striking the balance between looking forward to, what's to come, but also, that's one thing I learned from, I guess, my friends were Gen Zs, no? You really enjoy now because tomorrow is always fleeting. It's always fleeting. Life is fleeting. We don't know what's going to happen next year. We don't know what's going to happen, but it's always like a good jump start. Diba? If you're looking to start something new, make the new year your springboard para maka-jumpstart na something new.
And siguro ako isa na lang dahil since alam niyo naman tong partner ko, ang sarap ng trabaho ko dito eh. Mag-a-agree lang naman ako sa lahat ng sasabihin mo. Pero I just wanna say na ngayong bear month, especially ngayong buwan ng December, it's okay to say no to some of our friends, to some parties na hindi natin mapupuntahan, to some friends na hindi natin mareregaluhan, whether may pambili ka pero wala kang time or wala kang pambili at wala kang time, it's okay to say, pasensya na, hindi muna ngayon, or pasensya na, magpapahinga muna ako. Okay lang na hindi yung bare months ng iba na super daming ginagawa, kaliwat kanan yung mga ganap, okay lang na yung bare months mo, kalma lang. And yung gusto mo lang, pahinga. Walang
it's
masama
okay
doon.
to rest.
Yes, ngayong December.
It is okay to rest. It is okay to enjoy the holidays.
You can
resting
still
at home.
Agree. You can still enjoy the holidays resting at home.
Yes, watching
kahit
Netflix.
walang party na pupuntahan.
What I realized, no, and this has been sharing sa akin before Zeke resigned, no, and Jasper. Sabi niya sa akin, one thing that you can really do to
Sinusumpa
relax
na to ng nisik tsaka ng jowa niya. Sige, tuloy.
is listen to Lecheng Pag-ibig to.
Oh wow, thank you guys.
Oo. Yun ang talaga.
Boses pa lang ni Sam YG, relaxing na, di ba?
Kakalma ka daw talaga.
Tignan nyo pa yung itsura, very relaxing. Relax na relax, nag-shorts nga po dito sa recording namin.
Ito na yung uso ngayon. My short shorts. You're not,
Oh,
stop.
you learned that from your Gen Z friends.
Yeah, my
At ngayon,
high socks. Keep the socks high but your short shorts.
and also, ngayon ko lang na-realize, may Gen Z friends ka pala.
Oo.
Hindi ko nakikita ha, sa Instagram stories mo.
And if the potato corner comes out, well, then you thank the potato corner. Then let me know, ah.
Diyos ko, day. Sa gitna ng traffic, di ba? May isip nila yung potato corner that will come out.
The potato kingdom.
I know.
Oh, anyway.
Ayoko na. Tapusin na natin tong 2024 na to.
Bigyan mo isa pang highlight ng 2024. Whether
Highlight?
it's you, the world, something in the news, something that really made a mark. Okay, one more thing. For those who don't know, and I think it's the first time we're going to say this, we were on the verge of finishing the podcast. Kasi wala nang episodes.
Yes.
Pack up na kami.
Pero,
But we had a great talk with our friends dito where we are now, no, at the
Yes.
Pod Network. So, parang nabuhayan kami. New life to the podcast. And sometimes you need that. Sometimes you need a fresh start. We were on the verge, just to be very honest to all the Lechenatics and whatnot, everybody listening to us, no. Around, I think, March, parang we were about to decide na, okay, tawag dito, siguro, pack up na yung podcast. Diba? Kasi we were also getting very busy.
Yeah.
Work.
Or babawasan
you had a
yung
new
episodes.
You had a new kid.
Yes.
I was also getting so busy with work. And parang, but we're so passionate about what we do. About not just talking about, sharing our lives and hopefully something.
Sharing
Chismes. Sharing our thoughts with other people. And we really appreciate all the messages we get.
Yeah.
And that's, I think, what kept us going. And then the Pod Network came in. It's such a nice family to be with. And they gave us that second wind. Or
Again,
that life na, wait, teka, okay yung podcast nyo. Why? So many people can relate to it.
Kung ano yung pinag-uusapan natin, that's a good thing you brought up. Kasi meron ako mga nababasa sa Instagram natin na sinasabi nila, pwede ba yung podcast nyo twice a week?
Yeah,
Or baka naman kaya thrice a week. Tapos pag hindi tayo nakaka-record, nalulungkot sila or hinahanap nila tayo. So, siguro sabihin po natin yan kay Sam YG na starting tomorrow until December 16, dire-diretso yung hosting rackets. So, pag kinompute ko ngayon, magkano?
Do you know how much my Meralco bill is? This is paying for the Meralco. This is paying for the Meralco. It's paying for the Meralco. I just want you guys to know. I need to pay my Meralco and my MWSS. Carry on.
Pero yung nasabi mo highlight, I always look forward to recording our podcast because parang ito yung naging outlet ko this year. Kasi
Agree.
harapan na tayo. Mas masarap yung conversation pag magkaharap talaga kayo compared to when we're doing Zoom recording dahil may nagsastock na, alam mo yon, internet, may isang nawawala bigla. I always look forward to our recording dahil parang ito yung outlet ko of letting my emotions out. Dito ko nalalabas yung stress ko kasi it's a different platform dun sa ginagawa ko.
Of course.
Same
with
sa
me.
news, right? So, ito yung parang panghinga ko. Pag after nung podcast recording natin, ito walang joke ha, Sam, and to everyone that's here and to everyone that's listening, sana ganito rin maramdaman nyo, every time you're listening to our podcast, medyo mas kumakalma ako. Medyo mas kalmado ako kasi knowing na, hindi lang pala ako mag-isa.
Yes.
Yung nakaka-feel nito.
Etong Christmas rush, etong pagod ng Christmas shit.
Oo.
People really go through it, diba? It's yung parang nasa level 7 out of 10 lang tayo ng Christmas feels.
And that's okay.
And that is okay.
Walang problema
you're not alone. We're all on the same boat. Maybe you have a different opinion. We respect your opinions. And aside, of course, from Podcast Network, we want to thank you guys because you keep us going.
Thank you guys.
We meet people randomly, events here and there. Minsan at the mall, and they come to us and say, "Oh my God, we're such big listeners and fans."
Yesterday,
I'm sure you know
sa
this,
event,
diba?
may gano'n, nahanap ka nila sa akin. Sabi nila, nasan si Sam? Sabi ko, teka, nasa bulsa ko yata.
Uy.
Ay, wala po pala. But yeah, totoo yun. Ang dami kong nakikilala na nakikinig sa atin.
Thank you
guys.
So you guys keep us going. You guys, of course, inspire us to do even better every year. And we hope that it's been a fruitful 2024. If not, it's okay. If it's not been a fruitful 2024, if it's been a year of lows, depression, breakups, that's okay. Because we're entering another new year. And use that, like I said, that year to springboard you, to inspire you to do something better. I was talking with a friend earlier today who was also going through a bit of a low, a rut. And I'd say this because I want to remind everybody also, sometimes we take the small things for granted.
Yeah.
You have food on the table. You have good friends.
Yes.
You also you're in good health.
Yes.
These are small, tiny, you wake up every day. These are small, tiny blessings that sometimes we take for granted kasi masyado tayo nagpo-focus on the things that we don't have or the things we lost. May we use our breakups to get to our breakthroughs. Diba? Time, sometimes it's all just time. Diba?
Breakups para sa breakthroughs.
And on that
Iba
note,
talaga!
Eto, we're just gonna share this with you guys. We're partnering with UNICEF, no,
Ganda.
to help out those in need for the holidays. If you have a little bit to share, why not, diba? If you're in that, I always tell people, no, hindi naman talaga required. Nobody requires you to donate. Nobody requires you to share your blessings. But always think about this. If you are in the position, it's always better to be in the position na ikaw yung nakakapagbigay.
Ang ganda ng sinabi mo.
Kesa ikaw yung
yung
humingi.
binibigyan.
Diba?
Kasi ibig sabihin, pag ikaw yung binibigyan, matindi na yon, right?
Correct.
So, mas okay to share our blessings dun sa mga hindi masyadong, alam mo,
Dalawa
may
lang
mga-
naman yan. It's either you're the one giving or you're the one receiving.
Yes.
So, I guess I don't need to say which side you'd rather be on. But if you are on that side where you have the power, the means to give, why not? Diba?
So ito na, saktong-sakto dahil, tama ba, kada purchase for every donation of 1,000 pesos to UNICEF, you get one box of what we're holding now.
These are cards, of course, by our
Yes.
artist Manuel Baldemor. Oo.
Oo. So that's it. You may go to the website of UNICEF or in Lazada and Shopee
Ganda.
para makashop. Sobrang gaganda ng designs. Ito ang
Christmas,
gamitin
pasok
yung
sa
pang
Christmas to.
maligayang Pasko, pang Happy New Year sa mga friends and loved ones nyo ngayong
And ito,
holiday.
just a gift idea also. Sometimes it doesn't have to be also something expensive. What if we just write your friend a
Merry
nice card?
Christmas. Oo.
I mean, a
And
nice-
when was the last time
You wrote to someone,
to
diba?
someone ng talagang hindi Messenger or Viber?
Na parang, hey,
Diba?
miss ko na yung
Ganda nito.
kwentuhan natin. Maybe this could be a gift. Handwritten,
Ganda.
diba?
Yeah. Oo.
A note. And sometimes these things could be more meaningful than a cake.
Oo
Sometimes, I'm not saying all the time.
Oo
A
naman.
cake or maybe a mug or a tumbler na itatabi mo lang, diba?
Yes,
Sometimes
yes.
you just need that note. Let's also remember our friends who went through a lot this year. Maybe they need that push. Maybe they need a handwritten note from you.
True.
Could be,
Na kaya mo to.
yeah.
Kapit lang, konti na lang, matatapos na ang 2024.
Kilala nyo friends nyo, you know who they are, you know who needs help, and you know if you can help. So, yun lang on our end. We hope you had a great 2024. If not, let's push forward 2025 better, stronger, faster. On that note, thank you for listening to the podcast.